Hello, good morning, good noon, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Gunpla Show. And today we will have a full review of the HG 1:144 XGF-02 Gundam Lfrith, or we can also call it Gundam Lfrith, from the mobile suit Gundam the Witch from Mercury. This is a prototype mobile suit which has beat on 4 modes, manufactured by Oaks Earth Corporation and operated by Vanities Institute. This is the Happy Birthday mobile suit that was piloted by Elnora Samaya with its passenger, Eric Samaya. So let's take a look on what this kit will offer to us. So let's go! Building again a Bandai kit is just like a walk in the park. Runners are smooth, especially the gray and the white, but a little bit hard on the pink runners. It also has a very minimal use of stickers, though there are still parts that needs paints, especially the two beam volcans on the head. That should be on pink. Some parts on the legs, that should be on green. I also added paints on its thruster on its knees and back legs. That should be on black and pink also. The only stickers that is so bothersome is on its knee. That pink sticker that covers that thrusters. Even it cannot be seen on daily basis, I still painted the soles of the feet. On its back, heel also. The best part of this kit is the shield unit in mold parts. It is a part that really identifies the unit to be part of the Witch from Mercury series. Out of the box, this kit is still good, but this kit really shouts for panel line. It increases its beauty and now it is more attractive. Articulations are superb and new kinds of jointing were present. The blue beam effects on the receiver gun really stands out, and same also with its blue beam saber effects. And who dislikes a shield that can transform into 7 gun bit? Who doesn't like that? This combo gun bit shield is a game changer for Gundam. It's new and very unique. This also shouts for panel lining, for the shield is all white. This convertible shield can really give your imagination a play. It can stay as a shield, improve the backpack, can make the Lfrith speed power up, and enhance its power output of the receiver gun that will become a gun bit rifle. So being said, the easy assembly, the great details, less stickers, and more positive compliments on this kit, I absolutely recommend this kit even for beginners. Almost no cons and a lot of pros. All in all, this kit is almost on the love side and very less on the hate side situation. But still, as a builder, it still depends on you on how to interpret this kit on a builder's way point of view. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and this is the full review of our HG 1:144 XGF-02 Gundam Lfrith or Rubres. Yeah, so the name is so confusing. But yeah, that's it for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like these kinds of videos and contents, please do consider to like, share, comment, subscribe, and please hit that notification bell so that you'll be informed for our next videos. Okay, so that's it for now. Thank you so much. Good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Jake Delapaz signing off, and Gunpla Show signing off. That's it for now. Thank you so much. Peace out. Bye. Woo! So, if you reached this part of my video, please comment down there below hashtag Jake the Gunpla Reviewer and get the chance to be shout out on our next video. Okay, that's it. Thank you and peace out.